Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today is a Happy Mail video from something that I purchased. I am really excited to bring this to you today. I've actually had this Happy Mail for quite some time and have not had a chance to come together and show it to you. But nevertheless, I am here today and I'm really, really excited. So let's take a look. Here is the box, and the box says it is from We Crochet. We Crochet is a very nice site, and they have yarn and crochet patterns and crochet supplies and just all kind of wonderful things. And I happened to be looking online to try to find kits for knitting and crochet that weren't too expensive. I came across this one, and when I looked at it, I thought, oh, this is great. So I purchased a few. So let's take a look and see what's inside this kit. So the first thing is when I open it up, I see this awesome pattern. This is a pattern for Hexie Puff coasters, and this was written by our very own Toni Lipsey here on YouTube. It is a wonderful pattern and very easy to follow. And she actually has a tutorial here on YouTube that you can follow as well. Okay, so awesome, right? So that's the thing, when you first open it up, that's what you see. All right, so now what else is in here? Well, you have to have things to go along with the pattern, right? And so in here are 3 skeins, 1, 2, 3, of beautiful Cotton yarn. Okay, so Cotton is a combination cotton and linen. It's 70% Tangus cotton and 30% linen. And it is really soft, guys, really soft. All right, so now these skeins come as 50 grams, and that's 123 yards, which is plenty to make some beautiful coasters, right? Okay, so now the recommended needle size is number 5 through 7, and the recommended hook size is a 7 or an I. Okay, so awesome, right? This particular color here is called linen. The second color is called pistachio, and the third color is called Moroccan red. So beautiful colors that they were able to achieve with this Cotton yarn. And I think they are just screaming spring, right? Okay, but that's not all that's in the box. So let's take a look and see what else is in there. Okay, so in there they give you this really beautiful granny square pin. It's an enamel pin that is from Knit Picks and We Crochet. And you also get this beautiful, look at that, this beautiful crochet hook. All right, so it is standard hook size H or 8, 5 millimeter. Okay, and yes, I love the colors in it. I'm not going to open it, but it is a beautiful hook. All right, just simply beautiful. And I think you'll enjoy working with it. Okay, all right. So now, in addition to that, they give you a card that gives you off on your next purchase. Okay, so that's awesome too. So it says learn to 20. All right, so 20% off on your next purchase, and you can use that to make a purchase. All right, so I think this is an awesome kit, and I actually got multiple kits. But you know what, guys? I actually didn't use the yarns to make them. All right, so let me show you what I used to make the coasters for myself. I went to the Dollar Tree and had purchased some beautiful yarns a while back. I purchased solids and marls. And I thought, you know what? I've seen this beautiful coaster on Toni's channel, and she's made them with this awesome yarn. And yes, I would love to try it. But I had a thought and I had an idea. So I used the yarn that I had here. And I'm going to show you what I did. Okay. So I used just cotton, marl, and solid. And this one is a burgundy marl and a burgundy solid. And this is how it turned out. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I love the marl. And I think the border kind of stands out. So I followed the tutorial, but I just changed up the yarns, okay? And then I did another. So this one is a sage marl and a sage, okay? And let's see that one. I love that one too, right? And then last but not least, I used this turquoise marl and a turquoise. And let's see this one. Here you go. So I love all three of my beautiful coasters. I was able to follow Toni's tutorial, very easy, and I didn't have any problems with it whatsoever. And I love the way my coasters came out. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I didn't use any of the yarn or any of the items in the kit. Why didn't I do that? Because I wanted to give you guys an opportunity to try it out for yourself. There were only 2 more kits available, and I purchased the last ones. And so I thought, you know, that's a good opportunity to make a giveaway for the channel. So yes, we're going to do a giveaway, and we're going to give away 2 kits. This giveaway will run for 7 days, after which I will use the random comment picker to choose a winner, or 2 in this case. You have to be 18 years or older. This is void where prohibited. It is going to be for US only. And I would love it if you are subscribed to my channel. If you would like to participate, please use the word linen, okay? And know that this is not being sponsored by anyone. I purchased these kits with my own funds. So it's not being sponsored by We Crochet or by Knitpicks or by Toni's channel or by anyone. Strictly on my own with my own funds. I hope that you guys are getting excited because I love and enjoy sharing with you guys. And I'd love to be able to hear your take on the kit, the yarn, and everything else. Now, I also would like to give away 2 patterns. All right, so those will not come with yarn. They will just come as the e-pattern. For those winners, I would need your email address so that I can send the pattern to you. For those who win the actual kits, then I would need a valid address in which to send, and it's okay if it's a P.O. box. It will not be used for anything else, so you can feel comfortable with that. All right, so I am excited, and I hope you guys are excited too. You have 7 days in which to put that keyword down in the comment section, and stay excited, guys, okay? All right, so that's all I have for today. I hope each and every one of you do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I will see you soon in my next video or in one of yours. Take care now. Bye-bye.